Petikov is the Formula Regional Champion but has the toughest challenge of all rookies as his step up is the biggest, by passing F3, unlike his former teammate Leclerc. Campos have struggled to move up the pecking order in the hands of veterans Giotto and Aitken over the past seasons, but 2020 was worse than 2019. Petikov for Samaia is a step up in terms of talent, but there is no guarantee that his results will be any better than his fellow Brazilian predecessor. Boschung returns to Campos after teaming up in 2017. He stayed in F2 for 1 and a bit seasons after that, with MP Motorsport and Trident, but has never stood on the podium in this series. After a one-off appearance in Sakir last year, he prepares for a full-time return in 2021 after struggling for backing. But his 4th season in F2 is unlikely to be any better than his previous ones.